Whatever is the doubt regarding the course, certificate, and whatever, you can clear all your doubts on Monday. I will talk to the Manisha ma'am, then she will come in the class on Monday. Okay. So generally, I have add a single list, a single PPT slide in the previous one, in which I will show you how you can write the Python programming and what is the binary search. Generally, binary search in this algorithm, all the elements are sorted in a ascending order, and we will search for an element in the in a manner like, for example, I have to given a list. I have my list 1, comma 2, comma 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 24, 34, 56, 76. Okay. So now I have to search for the number 24. This is my A list. This is having my A list. In this list, I have to now searching for the number 24. I will keep the number like num. Num is equals to 24. I have to search for the 24 that this number is present in this list or not. So for that, the binary algorithm is doing such thing. First, it will calculate the mid element. It will do calculate this mid element by low. Low is the starting element. Mid is equals to low plus high by 2. And then it will check that my mid, A of mid, because mid is the index by getting this low and high. This low and high value, generally the low value is 0. Low is equals to 0. And high we will calculate by using the len function, is equals to len of the A. Okay. Then we will calculate the mid element, and we will compare this A mid with the num. If my A mid is less than num, if my A mid is less than num, then it will go to the this part, means to the right part. For example, over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have the 14 element. So my mid, when I calculate this mid number, it becomes 7. So my seventh index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My seventh index is 8. So it will compare to the A7. A7 is equals to 8. When this this condition is going to be executed, so it become false. When this become false, then I don't have to search in this part. Now I have to search only in this part. Then I will calculate the mid element. Now my mid element become 24 itself, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's become 24. Then my num is 24 and A mid is also 24. So in that case, it will return the mid element, mid index. Is it clear to you how we can do this binary? Generally, we have a sorted list. First, then we have to calculate the mid element. Then we compare the things. First in the first with the mid element. Then after we will go either right or left. I will show you with the code so that you can get clearly. I have shared you the link of the Google Colab. Now first we have to define diff binary search. It will take the argument as a array, then low, high, high, then the x. This x value is the searching element. Array is my total array. Low is the lowest value. High is the highest value. Highest range of that range. If my high is being greater than is equals to low, then mid become low plus high by 2. So by using this condition, we calculate the mid element. Then we have to check if my array of mid is less than, if my array is equals to x, which we will find, then return the mid element. And if this not possible, then elif array mid, if my array mid is less than array, is less than x, if this is less than x, then we have to call this binary search function again for the remaining part. In that remaining part, my array is the same. Now, in this condition, when I was showing that uh, my mid element is 8. So now I have to compare in this particular part. So I have to pass the mid plus one element to the next for the next execution. And array will be same. Low as a high, as a low, it is mid plus one, and high is same, and same for the x. In the else condition, we will go for the binary search array, comma 0, array comma low, comma mid minus 1 as a high, and x is my particular value, which I am going to search for. Else return minus 1. This else is execution for this particular if my high is not greater than equal to low. For example, my high is low and low value is high, so it will return the minus 1 value. Now I have to run this code by using the main code. I have to assign like array is equals to 78, comma, 23, comma, 28, comma, 34, comma, 56, comma, 76, comma, 89, 94, comma, 63, comma, 69. Okay, so I have to pass this array in this manner, or I should have to give in a any order, then I have to sort the array before giving to the function. Now I have to call this. I have to find my x. I will go to take the x value from the user. X is equals to int input. Okay, and then take the result variable. My result variable is equals to binary search and passing this value array, comma, 0. 0 is my low value and high value is what? Len of array minus 1. This is my high value and x will be the same. Now I am returning that if result, whatever the result I have got, does not is equals to minus 1. If this is not possible, then print element is present at index. Index str result. Okay. And if not, then I have to what? Print element is not present. Element is not present. Not present in the array. Now I will execute this code. Now I will search for the number 23. Element is present at index none. Here none means 0 because my element 23 is present at 0 index. Now I will search for the 75 and 75 is not present in the array. What is happening here? Okay. What happening? Okay, it will not fetch the result. In the result section, Present in array, not present in array. Search for number 35. What is happening here? If made is equals to x, array, not plus one, not minus one, x, binary. Yeah, I will explain it again. Don't worry. Membership appears like in or not. Yeah, you can use that operators like in or not in. Why this is happening? As we get error here in this part, if I is greater than is equals to low, then it will pass mid is equals to low plus high. Guys, so the general method of this code is structure is same. Over here, I'm not getting the result. Len of array minus one. If you have any doubt in the syntax of this and the logic behind this, you can ask me. PPT link. Okay, I will share it. So the algorithm which I uh, solve with you over here, same this things are written over here. Compare x with the middle element. Then if x is matches with the middle, we return the mid index. If not, then we go left. Uh, if my x is greater, then we have to move to the right, greater half subarray after the mid element. Then we will apply the algorithm again for the right half and same for the left half. If my x target is less than that. Uh, and binary search all the time you keep in your mind that binary search is only valid for the ascending order. or if you get any wrong order or in a order which is not ascending, then you have to use dot sort function. Then you can use the if num in numbers. Yeah, you can do it like that also. But this is the code, Divakar. This is the code for the linear search, not for the binary search. Yeah, we can use for anything. List, binary, list, tuple. We can use it for the set also for searching the element in particular. Now I will show how you can write the code for the linear search. And taking a for loop for I in range len of ARR. I have to define the ARR over here. ARR is equals to 1 comma 23 comma 45 67 4 5 24 53 56 7 59 39 whatever it is. Okay. Then I have to check for X. I have to take input X. X is equals to int input, and I have to check that if array of I is equals to my X value, print element present, element present in the array. If not, else. Okay. I have to take another variable which is count. Count is equals to 0. If this will be found, then I have to count plus plus. In the else part, we have to continue the program. We have to continue the program. Over here, I have to count count plus plus. Yeah. Now I have to print if my count value, if count is equals to 1, then I have to print this, else print not found. Why I will use this count variable over here? Because if I'm not using that, it will print the this element present in the array or element not present in the array till the when I get the equal array. If I am not, then it will print the same array till the ending of the for loop. Over here, if I am getting the number as tooth index, then it will return the, it will update this count value, and I will get that element is present in the array. I have to search for the 23 element present in the array. My 23 number is present in the array. If I am searching for the like 65, not found, means it is not present in the array. Is it clear to you how you can write the linear search? In the duplicate value, whatever value is getting first, it will consider that. Yeah, I have also said this statement to you. If you guys have any doubt regarding this linear search or binary search, you can ask me. In the linear search, your element, if your element is not sorted, then it's okay. But in the binary search, your arrays should be sorted in the sorted manner. Guys, if you don't have any doubt in this binary and linear search, then I will go for the next coding. Now I will show how we can write the Python program for the guys. Let me know. We have done the program for the prime number in the previous classes. We have done the programming of for the prime numbers. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. So the next programming question is guessing the word game. Guess the word from the list, particular. My Google Colab is visible to you. In the word guess game, first we have to define a list of a words. Firstly, we have to define a list. In that, we have to give some random words, and then after that, we have to uh, guess it. Just like it is a import random. Then I am taking your name as an input. Name is equals to input, enter your name. Then I will print good luck. Good luck, and then name, which I get from the user. Now I want to define some words. Words is equals to, like first I have to define the dictionary. I have defined the dictionary. Player, matchbox, cup, water, unfortunately, Python, some more words like condition, binary. Okay, now I have defined some words for the random picking. Now I have to write print. Firstly, the uh, program is going to choose word is equals to random dot choice. It will take the random from the words where the words I had defined here in the word particular, it will take any of this word in this word variable. Now I have to print guess the character. In the guesses, in the turns, I have defined the 10 turns. You have 10 turns and run the loop while turns is greater while my turns is greater than 0, my code will execute. Failed is equals to 0 because in the starting of that it is 0. Now I have to for char in word. If char in guesses, it is double S guesses, then print char else print and failed is become plus is equals to 1. If I'm not able to guess the character or the letter, then it my failed variable is being incremented by the program. And at the last, we are going to check if my if failed, if my failed is equals to 0, is equals to 0, then print you win the game and print the word. What is the word? The word is comma word. Then break for a guess input character. Guess a character. Guesses. Guesses plus is equals to guess. For example, if my guess is not present in word, which I have defined earlier, then the turns become -1 and print the you have write the wrong input and print the turn also. You have turns more to guess the word. At last, if my turns become zero, then print you lose the game. You lose. What happened? I have already sent the link of the Google Colab. Okay, I will share you. Break. Okay. Break is outside the loop. So I have a name like Anil. What happened? Mm, After this print statement, more to guess words. A guess input is there. Over here, input guess a character. I haven't said anything. That's why my voice is not ready. I don't know what happened here. So I have to guess a character. For example, I'm going to guess enter a name. If I'm going to guess a character over here, it is a three word of character. One, two, and three. So in my list, I have only a three word, which is cup. Okay, guys. So our code is working fine. Over here, I have the six words. If I'm guessing it right, going in the list, I have six word letter is Python and binary and player also. So first I will write the Python. Now I will write player. You got it right. The word is player. You win the game. Okay, guys. My screen. Okay. Okay, I haven't seen the zoom the screen. Okay. So the code is same, which we write earlier. Like same. First you have to uh, name your input, then word, take a random choice from the word, print the character. Define the turns. While turns is greater than zero and fail become turns. If my turns is greater than zero, till then our while condition is looping through. Then for character in words, each character we are getting a guess. Then if failed is equals to zero, means I didn't have failed to guess any character wrong, then I will win the game. If I'm not guessing it correctly, it will take like it will break it. And then we are starting the guessing it. Is it okay to all? Uh, I will share you the link of the PPT and the Google Colab also, so that you can read it from there. Chaitanya, this is not a waste of time. We have to do the code so that you can check your knowledge. Sometimes we get error because of the indentation, because of the different variable we are using. Here we are getting the error. Why? Because this break statement is not identically correct. Okay, and I will run all these statement be- uh, outside this while function, and I have to use it in the while condition. So it's just a silly mistake of a tab. Okay. So now the last programming of today is this rock, paper, and scissors. In the real life, you have played this rock, paper, and scissors. Now we will play. Now I will show you how you can code and play with the computer also. Um, can you just simply wrote the rule of this rock, paper, and scissors? Who will win when? Like for example, if I have rock and you have paper, then paper is win. Just like that. Rock versus paper, and then you have to write like win or lose. Rock, scissors, scissor is in the rock, scissor, rock will win. In the rock, paper, paper will win. Yeah. So for that, we are just defining the rule over here, and then we will go for the program. First, we are importing the random module. Import the random module. Then user wins is equals to zero, and computer is equals to zero. In the starting of the game, both have the 0 points. In the option, we are deriving like rock paper and scissors. While to take the user input, what the user want is equals to input type rock, paper, or the scissor. And if you don't want to play, you write Q for the cube. If someone is writing in a uppercase or in any way, then we have to take it in a lower way, lower order. Now I have to check if user input is Q. If my user input is Q, then I have to break it. And now if my user input not not in option. For example, someone is writing the different from the options. So then it will continue. Then random number, random, random number. Why? Because by using that particular number, we are getting the options. We are not using the list like that. So for that, we are using random and in that 0, comma 2. Um, our this random number is going to uh, take the values between 0, 1, and 2. Like 0 for the rock, 1 for the paper, and scissor. Now I will choose the computer pick. Our computer pick is equals to option. In the option, I have to pass the random number. Now print computer picked, comma computer pick plus the dot. Now we will compare. If user input is equals to rock and computer pick is equals to scissor, then who will won this? Print user won, and then we will update the user win plus is equals to 1. If elif condition, elif, If user input is paper, then the computer will. Then I have to over here use the computer to update his value. Now the third condition, Alif, uh, user input rock and computer pick is scissor. User input paper, Scissor. If user input is scissor and computer input is paper, then user win and user will update its value. In the else part, print you lost the game and computer will be updated its value by one. And at last, we will print you won and using the user win wins comma time. A user wins in computer. User wins. It is wins or wins. Over here, I haven't used the S in the deriving it. User wins. User win over here also. If I have rock and computer takes scissor, then user won. Paper scissor, computer won. Okay. If I'm running this now, okay, I have to use the three column. Okay, so I will pick the rock. You lost the computer is also picking the rock. Now I will pick the paper. Rock. User won. Now I want to quit the game. I win. I want to quit the game. So user have won one time and computer won the two time. It is clear to you guys. So that's all for the day. We have